Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to another episode of Fishing for Life 93. And today we're heading back out in the kayak. It is about 4:30 right now in the morning. We got a bit of a drive ahead of us. We're gonna get some fall bite on. And before we get into today's video, I want to do a huge shout out and say thank you for Tight Line Tackles up in Cornwall, Ontario. Thanks again, Rob, for the underspins, the Kitex, and all the great tackle that I've been using this season. I'll put the link of his website and Facebook page down below. Check him out if you guys are in the Cornwall, Ontario area. Great tackle, great gear, very educational on his stuff. So go check him out, guys. Also located in Cornwall, Ontario is In and Outdoors. If you guys are ever looking for minnows or tackle as well, go check him out. Facebook page and website will be down below. Enough of the chit chat. Let's get on the road. Let's go get some fish. Cheers. All right, guys, we're on the water. It is 6:55. So we're gonna start off with some chatterbaits, underspins. We're gonna paddle our way down, get some fish on board. See you guys in a bit. All right, let's get that chatterbait on. There we go, fish number one, guys. It's a bass. That's got to be a bass. Stay on, maybe. Nice. That's a decent. Oh, I got off too. No way. Ah, son of a gun. There we go. Come on, baby. I'm not losing this one. There we go. First one of the day. First one of the day. Okay. He hit the Great Lake underspin. Just put it on. Had a few follows. The chatterbait. Nothing really besides this. Nothing too big, but hey, first one logged of the day. Well, just reeling some line here. First one landed of the day. We're gonna measure it, take a photo. Hey, don't bite my hand. Close your mouth. We have 15 1/4. Let's get some more. Feisty girl. All right, so that's one bass at 15 1/4. 8 the underspin. Oh, that's a fish. That feels really nice. It does not feel like a pike though. It feels like a nice bass. I thought I was caught on a log or something. Look at this thing go, bud. Nice. Nice. Oh my lord, that's a jumbo bass. Come here. Oh, get in the net. Get in the net. Oh my lord, guys, this is like I'm gonna have to weigh this fish too. Holy crap. Jumbo on the underspin. Look at this thing, guys. All right, we're gonna let it sit in the net while we get the phone out. And guys, we just caught ourselves an absolute monster of a fish. Look at the size of this thing, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful bass. We're gonna measure it, get her photo, and back in she goes. 17 3/4. See if we can get the photo nicely. Look at the shoulders on this girl. Hell yeah. Let's get it back in. Let's get more on the board. Thank you, girl. Oh, she goes. What a great bass that was. 17 3/4. Puts us at 33 inches. Not a bad start, just with 2 fish. It's about 10 after 8. You can still see your breath on the water. Beautiful scenery, guys. Calm morning. The winds are coming in. Makes that nice ripple on the water for chatterbaits and underspins is what I'm going with. And yeah, so hopefully we can get 3 more registered fish. And then if we have to do upgrades, we'll do some upgrades. But let's get our 5 fish first. Stay tuned, guys. Hell yeah. I let it hit the bottom, and then this thing came in and just chopped it. Oh boy. I think we might have a pike. Oh, it's gonna surface. Oh, that's a big pike. Oh my friggin' lord. Oh, that's a... Dude, it's gonna break me off. Tennis choked it completely. Oh my lord, this is not disaster over here. Get in the net head first. I don't care how you're in. Get in the net. Yes. Oh my friggin' gosh, he choked it completely. Thick, healthy pike. Came in and absolutely choked the Great Lake underspin. We're gonna get it back in. Let's see if we can't get any more fish on board. Hells yeah. All right, that was a beautiful, beautiful pike. Absolutely choked that underspin. Had to retie because my line was a little brittle from his teeth. But let's see if we can't get any more fish. Oh, there we go. No way. That's a bass. That's a bass. That's a nice bass. Oh, that's another pike. Holy, we're on the side of his mouth. That's okay. There we go. That's a bass. That's what we need. That's what we need. It's probably like a 12, 13 incher. We'll take it. We will take it. Absolutely choked this one. Here, buddy. Oh, it's okay.
Third one of the day. We're gonna measure it. Hopefully it hits. Yes. 12-inch 3/4.
13 3/4. No way. Nice. Please be a bass. Yes. Oh, he's smaller than the last one, but he might just hit 12 inches. Might just hit 12 inches, guys. We'll take it. It'll just have to be an upgraded fish in the long run, but we will take it. We'll see if he even hits 12-inch. We are a short feller. Close your mouth, buddy. We have 12.5. We will take it. We will take it. Beautiful little failer. Back in you go, buddy. Go get bigger. There we go. That one. Oh, he's still on. Oh, that's a jumbo bass. Oh my. 5th one of the day. Come on, baby. Oh my friggin' gosh, guys. Oh my lord. This one barely fits in the net. Okay, okay. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about, man. This thing is an absolute giant.
Look at the size of this thing, guys. What a freaking toad. Fifth fish registered of the day.
19-inch. 19-inch. Let's get a photo of that baby right now.
This is what we're after. Trophy size bass, guys. Hell friggin' yeah. Look at this thing. 19-inch bass.
They're back in the water. Friggin' right.
Another one on the underspin, guys. Just loving it. Can't even eat a snack. 16 3/4.
What is it?
16 3. That is an upgrade. Main camera just died, but thank God we got the one running, guys. Joys of doing this. So we're gonna get it back in. Thank you, girl.
Camera off to save the clip. It's been a hot minute since we had a fish. Oh, that's another big bass. Come on. Let's go. There we go.
Another beautiful, beautiful fish, guys. These fish are just destroying this underspin today. Give it a quick measure. We'll take a photo as well. Will this fish be an upgrade? 15 3/4. 15 3/4, guys. Let's get it back in. And girl.
Hey everyone, we just finished packing up, doing the outro in the car because it got pretty windy out there and the audio would have been crap. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was a great day, great friggin' day on the water. Ended up with 84.5 inches in total today, catching a 19-inch largemouth bass. Made the whole day amazing. We were on the hunt for some trophy-sized bass today, and we got on some trophy-sized bass. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching, subscribing, hitting that thumbs up. See you guys on the next adventure. Cheers.